Nail would like to thank Apnailcon 2023 inviting us to lecture on how to become a medical nail technician. Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Spalding, President and founder of Nailcon, and I want to welcome you to the Nailcon Lecture. There are 3 prerequisites for becoming a medical nail technician, or MMT. You must first be a state licensed nail tech to be certified by Nail. However, you can take the training at any time, even before you get your license. You must be motivated and be willing to finish the training. And remember, it's highly suggested that you try the first 3 modules of the ANT for free to get a taste of what this course system has to offer you and the future of your career. When you sign up for this free offer, your account will be established and you can easily purchase any other courses later. What is the difference between an advanced nail tech and a medical nail tech? An advanced nail tech is a state licensed nail tech who has first completed the Nail Advanced Nail Technicians course that focuses on 3 concepts. Number 1, use of an autoclave and advanced disinfection techniques in your salon. Number 2, aseptic skincare service. And number 3, know what nail or skin conditions to refer and how to refer to medical professionals. The Tennessee cosmetology rules are similar to other states' rules across the country for cosmetology and nail techs for relating to communicable diseases. No patron with definite open sores exhibiting symptoms of infectious or contagious disease or disorders of the skin or parasitic infections will be serviced in a shop or school unless written permission from a physician has been secured. This demonstrates the need to use referrals in both directions to effectively communicate, and that's what you learn in the ANT course. The Medical Nail Technician or MMT program helps you attain higher level services. Once you finish the ANT program, you can start the MMT program and the internship that eventually assists with the following. Number 1, MMTs help podiatrists with providing routine foot care. Number 2, helps provide laser and therapeutic services. Number 3, use conservative techniques for ingrown nails like the use of the Onifix product. Number 4, helps with aesthetic services like enhanced nail polish and applying prosthetic nails. And number 5, help retail items to the patients or clients and serve as a CCPMA. All MMTs are immediately eligible to become clinically certified as a podiatric medical assistant or a CCPMA with a simple bridge exam after they've taken the MMT. How did the Medical Nail Technician program get started? According to the American Podiatric Medical Association, 50% of the podiatrists in the U.S. use a medical assistant to help with routine foot care. However, there are no universal standards to this service. My background from 73 to 91 was in EMS and law enforcement, and I carried with me those skill sets before podiatry. I attended the New York College of Podiatric Medicine from 93 to 97 and recognized that podiatrists needed well-trained assistants to help with routine foot care. I recognized in podiatry school that Tennessee nail techs were state licensed by cosmetology to perform aesthetic nail care and had experience in trimming nails. EMTs, comparably in the U.S., were licensed to perform emergency care with doctor's orders or protocols. In 1998, I invented the MMT concept and patterned it after the EMS concept of doctors giving orders to trained assistants. In 1998, I also invented a new enhanced antifungal nail polish that is still sold today. And at these nail tech conferences, I also lectured on disinfection, autoclaving, and referring nail problems to podiatrists. A little history on Nails. I attended a 2002 premiere show in Orlando where I gave a lecture on the MMT concept. Debbie Dollerman and Nancy King and some others from the Nail Tech Association were present. I compiled all my lectures into a book in 2006 and started the online training website MediNail Learning Center and medinail.com. from my books, Death by Pedicure and The Science of Pedicures. Medinail.com's homepage has a new look. It's gone through several evolutions since 2006, and we have a much more interesting platform now that's more user-friendly. It took a while to develop, but we're getting there every day. Over 3,000 nail techs have taken the Medinail training from 2006 to 2023 from 20 different countries and over 20,000 views per month. Medinail is the first and only proven advanced online nail technician program created by a board-certified podiatrist, and all training is approved by 2 different national podiatric academic societies. The current one is the American College of Medical Foot Care and Aesthetics. Medinail.com offers the most affordable, advanced online nail tech training in the world. Medinail.com has the only VIP or virtual internship program in the world for those who cannot make it or do not have podiatrists nearby. Medinail.com has more training modules per course and has the largest number of online training courses for nail techs in the U.S. There are 3 simple steps to becoming a medical nail tech. Number 1, take the online A&T or the Advanced Nail Technicians course. Complete the 15-module Medinail Advanced Nail Technicians course. And the A&T prerequisite for taking the MMT course is the A&T. Bonus, we give away the first 3 modules for free with a special QR code. Number 2, take the online MMT. You must complete the 10 modules of the MMT before being eligible for the VIP or a 40-hour internship with a podiatrist of your choice. And number 3, complete a 1-week internship in a podiatry office or online through the Medinail Virtual Internship Program or VIP course. The goal is to learn how to function legally as an MMT. Getting started is free. Get started by taking the free A&T training 3 modules of the 15-module course. It automatically lets you see the level of the contacts you're going to have with your online training, and it sets up an automatic account so that when you do purchase, you won't have to go through any additional setups. This is all free. Just copy or film this QR code. Medinail has a very experienced advisory board. Meet Erin Beckett Gland. She's Vice President of Medinail and is a MMT and a CCPMA for many years. And she's the new VP of Medinail and has earned her position in so many ways, especially all of her posts to the websites and Facebook and her experience in her own salons. And I want to give a round of thanks for her. Ever since 2022, she's earned her position with 25 years of experience. She has many accolades that you can read about, and we're very fortunate to have her as one of our members. Meet Lori Ducharme. She's an advisory board member of Medinails and is one of the first nail techs in the United States to actually have her own public health department in her state of Massachusetts, in Dudley, Massachusetts, to require that autoclaves are mandatory. Just like in the state of Massachusetts, all 214 salons in Boston also are mandated to have autoclaves. She has applied all these techniques to a brand new salon that she's opened in Dudley, and we welcome her and value her as a member of the board. Sue Lafferty has been an A&T, MMT, and a CCPMA, is a Medinail Advisory Board member, and has been a huge trainer and has attended almost every Medinail conference to help others learn how to become Medinail certified. She has extensive experience in teaching, and she also has been certified in other components like LCM Barefoot, and she has been a real asset over the years, and hopefully you'll see her in Gatlinburg this year at the 2023. She's been at almost every one of those. Lisa Bowles has been an MA&T and a MediNail Advisory Board member, and remember, she's written a book called Nail Care Nightmares. She's had a long experience, and she's also very instrumental in helping with putting the AP Nailcon together, and we value her services. Victoria Hunter out of Canada has been with us for a long time. She's been one of the best editors for a lot of our educational material. She has extensive experience with products and is an excellent source of information, and she has made a huge contribution to MediNails over the year and is very supportive on Facebook, and she has excellent posts that she makes available, and she gives a lot of time out to nail techs that need advice. Cheryl Morgan is one of the main people behind MediNails. She's a CCPMA. Not only is she an administrator for my podiatric practice, but she's the administrator for MediNail.com. Anybody who's ever had a certificate, it's been designed by her and signed by me. Anytime there's a question, she's either emailing you or phoning you or receiving phone calls for your questions. She's indispensable to the MediNail team. There are a lot of good reasons to be MediNail certified. It helps demonstrate to your clients you are always improving to hone your skill sets, and keeping the health of your clients is your number one priority while providing their services. That your training is approved by a national network of podiatrists and nail professionals who are experts in salon safety. Remember, one of the main reasons for the ACMFCE.org is the American College of Medical Foot Care and Aesthetics equals universal standards, because there are no universal standards in providing routine foot care, and we are the first to try to accomplish that, and we are accomplishing that with every graduate. The new MediNail Master Series gives you new certifications like Chemo Skincare Certified. Also, MLC will become an optional subscription service for those who want a monthly subscription service to the newest information. Also, we have the A&T Instructors course to help instruct other nail techs through hands-on safety education. Once you complete the A&T, MMT, and your master's course, you're eligible to take this course and teach for profit those others that need hands-on training. I welcome Dr. Brian Markinson to the MediNail team. Not only was he my instructor and my mentor in podiatry, he now offers you, the nail tech, his courses, many of which I took in podiatry school. So I'm excited that he is on board, and you will be too. This is his course series called More Eyes on Melanoma, and I highly advise you to take some of his courses. You will be very well trained after you take this. We now have a MediNail affiliate program so that you can directly financially benefit by helping educate others. With our training, you also get access to MediNail caution alerts, such as what's going on with hot towel warmers, sugar and salt scrub issues, electric file bit issues, and information on which autoclave to help others pick. You'll get access to MediNail legal updates and our opinions with consults that I've done on nail salon lawsuits. This includes other wrongful death lawsuits and other lawsuits involving chemical burns and towel warmers. Here are 3 key info pearls that you can put into practice today just to get jump started. If you never do anything else, remember, the first thing is purchase an autoclave. It's your best form of marketing. There's a lot more information found in the MMT A&T program and my website, drrspalding.com. Number 2, what happens with dull nippers on a natural nail? Natural, not fungal. Part of number 2, dull nippers, equals nail dust explosions. The following video will show you on a normal nail how much dust you're inhaling every time you cut a nail in a salon or at home. Everybody remembers COVID, but what it also pointed out was the shortcoming in all the salons. This is the MediNail ACM FCE 2020, 21, 22, and 23 Attack Pack. This is the perfect information for ventilation, disinfection, and sterilization you should be using right now, today, and for any viral outbreaks in the future. Number one, ventilation. Remember, N95 masks, face shields, eyeglasses, 3-zone filtration, and dust extractors are critical to do this. Remember, podiatrists and nail techs that work on fungus have a 3 times higher asthma rate. You've got to prevent that if you're going to be in this for a long period of time. Disinfection, there's only one product for that outside of gloves, and that's hypochlorous acid. That's what you should be using on all surfaces and even antiseptically on skin surfaces. This is the best product you'll be aware of. Sterilization for instruments is always, absolutely always autoclaves or sharp metal disposable instruments. Remember, I highly, this is number 3 in your last pearl, use hypochlorous acid. It's a super product for disinfection, it's sporicidal, and it's antiseptic. It's skin safe, neutral pH. You can use it on wounds for all routine foot care. It's a godsend for your salon or podiatry practice. Remember, always stay within your scope of practice. Review your state regulations. Stay within your SOPs. And SOP means follow the authorized state disinfection guidelines, rules, and regulations for nail techs. That is the simple way of staying out of trouble. Follow SOP, scope of practice. Remember, MediNail.com online training is not just about meeting state standards and guidelines, but exceeding state guidelines. The first MediNail MMT conference was held in 2016 in Chattanooga, Tennessee. For those that may have forgot, the first U.S. MediNail MMT Podiatric Conference was the MediNail Safety Summit for MMTs and nail techs in 2016 in Chattanooga, Tennessee. It was sponsored by some big pharmas, Baco Pathology Labs, Valiant Pharmaceuticals that made Jublia, and it was Pharmaderm, which makes Keratin. These were the only time pharmaceutical companies in the U.S. sponsored and supported a medical nail technician conference. If you don't take home anything else, take home this QR code and that website, MediNail.com, and get started on your new career. Thank you for your attention.
Be sure to go to MediNail.com to sign up for classes. The first 3 in the A&T module are free, or call 423-805-7966. And don't forget to look at YouTube/MediNail Learning Center to watch over 30 free videos with a lot of information. Thank you.